So we are at 13th Die and Mold exhibition happening in Bombay, and today I am at the stall of AMT, Ahire Machine Tools. I am having with us Mr. Herbert Mayr and Mr. Nishikant Ahire. He is from ALLMATIC and Mr. Ahire is from AMT Machine Tools, that is Ahire Machine Tools. We would like to understand this collaboration, so that's why I have landed here straight at your booth. So to start with, Mr. Mayr, please let us know what is ALLMATIC and what all the product ranges you have at ALLMATIC.
ALLMATIC, we come from Germany. In Untertinga, we produce since 40 years clamping systems, and the normally clamping system and the grip clamping systems, and the new line is electric clamping systems, and we have a large assortment for the customer, and we have a long cooperation with Mr. Ahire, with AMT, and we produce parts in Germany, we produce parts in India, and we tried to sail on the world to sail.
Absolutely, and here it is 13th Die and Mold, which is concentrated to the Indian market. So how ALLMATIC products are, providing an advantage to the die and mold sector, if you can elaborate.
We have also typical sign is ALLMATIC, and we have a cooperation. We have booths, parts, and the engineering also produced is from a booth company in this.
Absolutely. Coming to you, Ahire sir, we would like to understand again the collaboration from your perspective with ALLMATIC, and also what is the role Ahire Machine Tool is playing in the die mold sector.
Yeah. Good morning, and we are associated with ALLMATIC last 14 years, and we have a marketing and manufacturing understanding with them. We represent them on the Indian platform. And for die and mold industry, they have very special product with a grip technology where the clamping is within 3 millimeters or 5 millimeters maximum, and that's very, very useful and attractive for die and mold industry. So that's a big advantage. You can finish components in one clamping. You can machine die or die inserts. That's a big help.
Right. And how do you see the ALLMATIC collaboration, and where is this collaboration heading, if we may ask?
Yeah, we are strongly associated, so there is good amount of handholding. My team is trained in ALLMATIC. Mr. Mayr has supported us for establishing manufacturing of few parts here, and technological parts they provide us, and the mechanical things which we manufacture here. So German product, German quality at Indian price. That's our thought process while manufacturing it here.
Right.
And it's a win-win situation for both of us.
Right. So talking about the die and mold sector, I would like to ask you, Mr. Mayr, where do you see the future of die and mold sector, and what all you see the spaces of advancements when it comes to the product ranges like yours?
I think so. We learn together for the market, and we can learn from India. India can learn from Germany, but the target of both company is the sale to the product. And in the future, I think we must produce high quality product, and the target is the good product to cooperation with the electric, and later I think we must cooperation to the machine system. And for the Medina, we have a completely system for the produce, and so we can learn from do it, and we have the same target.
Thank you for this insights. Coming to you, sir, what do you see the future of die and mold industry in India, and of course your suggestions for the advancements, you being the veteran of the industry.
Yes. Uh, Whatever we are manufacturing and marketing here in India, we have solutions for 2 axis, 3 axis, 4 axis, 5 axis machining, as well as the clamping column for tombstones. That typically goes with HMCs. So this is a wonderful thing, and I'm very happy to say that they are the European leaders in work holding solutions, and we are very happy to have understanding with each other.
Thank you so much for this insights. Thank you so much for spending your time with us, and thank you so much everyone for watching us.